Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thank you very much. And what's your name?
My name is Ken.
Ken. Nice to meet you. Yes. And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Amazing. And I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, okay? So, who is that?
Is Linda.
Yes. And who's that?
Is Peter.
Peter. And who's that?
Is mine.
Yes. Is this Peter?
No, it isn't. Is Linda.
Yes. Is this Mom?
No, it isn't. Is mine.
Great. Is this Peter?
Let it be.
Yes. And are they your friends?